Bathroom vanities sound simple, until you realize most don't actually solve the real problems people face. Product pages talk about style and size, but never mention the hidden headaches, poor storage, flimsy materials, or designs that don't fit your plumbing. Today, I'm breaking down 5 real options that actually work and where they fall short. Product number 1: Top Mart Clear Drawer Organizers. Let's start with something simple but game-changing. The Top Mart 25-piece Clear Drawer Organizer Set. At just $20, this isn't a vanity itself, but it transforms any existing one. What caught my eye was how many people are buying it, over 60,000 in the past month, and it makes sense. If you want to stop digging through messy drawers every morning, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These organizers come in 4 different sizes, so you can customize your layout whether you're storing makeup brushes, tweezers, or skincare bottles. The clear plastic means you see everything instantly, no more guessing what's buried at the back. They're stackable, easy to wipe clean, and come with silicone pads to prevent slipping. For a small investment, this turns chaotic drawers into functional spaces, especially in tiny bathrooms where every inch counts. Now, some people might complain that plastic feels cheap, and honestly, it's not solid wood. But here's the thing, this isn't meant to be furniture. It's a practical fix for clutter, and at this price, replacing it every couple of years is still cheaper than buying a whole new vanity. The lack of reviews is a red flag, but the sales volume suggests real people are using and loving it. This is perfect for you if you already have a vanity but hate the disorganization underneath. Skip this one if you're looking for permanent cabinet upgrades or hate plastic aesthetics. Still, for under $25, it's one of the best value bathroom hacks out there. Product number 2: LOAO Bathroom Mirror. Now, if drawer chaos isn't your issue but bad lighting is, the LOAO 24x32 LED bathroom mirror might be your hero. Priced at $115, it's not the cheapest mirror, but it packs serious functionality. If you want to actually see your skin when applying skincare or shaving without shadows, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has both front and back lighting, which eliminates dark spots and gives even illumination from all angles. You get 3 color temperatures: warm, natural, and cool white, so you can match the light to your routine or mood. The dimmable feature lets you adjust brightness with a long press, and the memory function remembers your last setting. Plus, the anti-fog mode kicks in quickly after a shower, though it only heats the center, so edges might still fog up slightly. Now, some people complained about the partial heating pad, meaning the defogger works best in the middle and fades toward the edges. Here's the thing though, for most people you're looking straight ahead anyway, so the center clarity is what counts. Also, installation is plug-in or hardwired, which is flexible, but you'll need basic DIY skills. The tempered glass is shatterproof, which is huge if you've got kids or pets. This is perfect for you if you're tired of wiping your mirror after every shower or struggling with uneven lighting. Skip this one if you want full-edge defogging or hate wall-mounted fixtures. For under $120, it's a solid upgrade that feels premium. Product number 3: Vanities Tall Bathroom Cabinet. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be better for maximizing vertical space: the Vanities Tall Bathroom Cabinet. At $128, it's a narrow storage tower that fits in tight spots. If you want floor-to-ceiling storage without remodeling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's only 15 inches wide but over 5 feet tall, making it ideal for small bathrooms, kitchens, or even entryways. It has 2 doors and 2 drawers with adjustable shelves, so you can customize compartments for towels, toiletries, or cleaning supplies. The MDF construction is moisture-resistant, and it includes an anti-tip kit, important if you've got kids or live in an apartment. Now, some people noted that MDF isn't as durable as solid wood and can swell if exposed to water long-term. Here's the thing though, as long as you keep it dry and use it for storage, not as a sink base, it holds up fine. The white finish looks clean and modern, but scratches show easily, so handle it gently during setup. This is perfect for you if you're short on closet space and need hidden storage. Skip this one if you want something that doubles as a vanity or if your bathroom floods often. For the price, it's a smart space-saving solution. Product number 4, SUNTAGE 24 Floating Vanity. Now, if you're ready to upgrade your entire setup, the SUNTAGE 24-inch floating vanity is a stylish, functional choice. At $244, it's the priciest on this list, but it includes the sink, cabinet, and hardware. If you want a modern, space-saving vanity that actually holds your stuff, this is worth a serious look. It has 2 soft close drawers with silent slides, no slamming, no pinched fingers. The MDF cabinet is moisture-treated and the white resin sink is impact-resistant and easy to clean. Installation is DIY-friendly with pre-drilled holes, though you'll need to apply sealant and wait 24 hours before use. It comes in 24, 30, and 36 sizes, so you can match your room. Now, some people complained about the resin sink feeling less premium than ceramic. Here's the thing though, it's lightweight, durable, and resists chipping, perfect for daily use. Just don't drop heavy objects on it. Also, floating vanities require solid wall mounting, so check your wall type before buying. This is perfect for you if you're renovating or replacing an old vanity and want a clean, modern look. Skip this one if you rent and can't modify walls or prefer traditional pedestal sinks. For a full vanity set under $250, it's a strong contender. Product number 5, TENFON Undersink Cabinet. Finally, if you've got a pedestal sink and hate the exposed pipes, the TENFON Undersink Cabinet is a clever fix. At $141, it's designed to fit around standard plumbing with a U-shaped cutout. If you want to hide clutter and add storage without replacing your sink, this is worth a serious look. The drawer holds small items like nail clippers or cotton pads, while the cabinet hides toilet paper and cleaners. Made of moisture-resistant MDF, it's built for humid environments. Assembly is easy with labeled parts and picture instructions. Just measure your sink first. The cutout is specific and it won't fit all models. Now, some people said the U-cut isn't universal and may not match older sinks. Here's the thing though, always double-check your plumbing layout before buying. Also, engineered wood can warp if water pools underneath, so keep the area dry. This is perfect for you if you have a pedestal sink and want hidden storage fast. Skip this one if your plumbing is unusually configured or you want a full vanity replacement. For under $150, it's a smart, targeted upgrade. So which one's right for you? The V-Top-Mart organizers fix chaos fast and cheap. The LOAAO mirror solves lighting and fog. The Via Azudes cabinet maximizes vertical space. The SUNTAGE vanity delivers full modern style, and the TENFON hides pipes under pedestal sinks. Each has trade-offs, but all solve real problems most buyers don't even know they have. Pick based on your pain point, not the prettiest photo.